If you're waiting to learn AI until you have more time or until it's more mature, you're not being cautious. You're falling behind. That's like someone in 1995 saying, "I'll learn the internet when it's better." But by 2005, they weren't ahead. They were irrelevant. If you're a creator, freelancer, or professional trying to keep up in this new era, subscribe now. These videos are built to help you stay ahead while others are still waiting for the perfect moment. You've saved a bunch of AI tools you meant to explore. You keep hearing how AI is the future. But honestly, it just feels overwhelming. Too many tools, not enough clarity, and zero time. So you tell yourself, I'll dive in when things calm down. But here's the hard truth. Things won't calm down. Every month you wait, AI gets easier to use, but also more expected. And the window where using it makes you stand out, that window is closing. Think of it like this. Imagine it's 1995. Some people are playing around with websites, clunky email tools, weird online forums. Everyone else is saying, this internet thing, I'll wait till it's polished. Fast forward 5 years, those early adopters, they're leading companies, launching startups, running digital empires, not because they were smarter, but because they started while it still looked messy. AI is our generation's internet moment. And right now, while everyone else is waiting, you can quietly build an unfair advantage. Look at Sarah, a freelance writer I recently worked with. 3 months ago, she didn't know how to use ChatGPT. Now, she uses it to outline, research, edit, and pitch. She writes in half the time, and her clients think she's a genius. Or take Jared, a marketing lead at a startup. He built a simple Zapier workflow that connects customer feedback to ChatGPT summaries. Now his team gets insights in hours, not weeks. He didn't wait for AI to mature. He built something useful with what was already here. Neither of them is a tech wizard. They just started early. Here's the mindset shift I want you to remember. You don't wait for the world to change to your pace. You change your pace to match the world. Those who move early don't just survive disruption, they lead it. If this changed how you think, even a little, subscribe now. Because every video here is built to help you become the kind of person who just gets it before everyone else does.